Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. The instantaneous voltages at three terminals marked X, Y and Z are given by Vx is equal to V naught sin omega t, Vy is equal to V naught sin omega t plus 2 pi by 3 and Vz is equal to V naught sin omega t plus 4 pi by 3. An ideal voltmeter is configured to read RMS value of the potential difference between its terminals. It is connected between points X and Y and then between Y and Z. The readings of the voltmeter will be option A, V YZ RMS is equal to V naught root 1 by 2. Option B, VXY RMS is equal to V naught root 3 by 2. Option C, independent of the choice of the two terminals. Option D, VXY RMS is equal to V naught. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट. तो जो करंट अपना पोलैरिटी या डायरेक्शन पीरियोडिकली चेंज करता है, सच अ करंट इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट. सो वोल्टेज इन एन alternating current, there are two measurements of the voltage. One is maximum voltage, which is generally denoted by V naught. तो ये है the maximum amplitude of the voltage, maximum amplitude reached by the voltage in one cycle. The other voltage that can be measured is called as the RMS voltage, जो VRMS से डिनोट करता जाता है. This is the effective voltage of the alternating current. So the relation between the RMS value of the voltage and the maximum value is given as V naught by root 2. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको नोट करेंगे. सो गिवन the voltage at terminal X is V naught sin omega t. The voltage at terminal Y is V naught sin omega t plus 2 pi by 3 and the voltage at terminal Z is V naught sin omega t plus 4 pi by 3. तो अभी हम potential difference between the terminals X and Y calculate करेंगे. So this will be V naught sin omega t minus V naught sin omega t plus 2 pi by 3. तो हम sin A minus sin B formula यहाँ पे use करेंगे. So sin A minus sin B is given as 2 sin A minus B divided by 2 into cos A plus B divided by 2. So this becomes equal to, तो V naught constant common ले सकते हैं. So this is 2 into sin omega t minus omega t minus 2 pi by 3, the whole thing divided by 2 into cos omega t plus omega t plus 2 pi by 3, the whole thing divided by 2. तो यहाँ पे ओमेगा टी कैंसिल होता है. We can cancel the 2 from the 2 pi. यहाँ पे omega t plus omega t becomes 2 omega t. So divide this whole thing by 2. So then we will get V naught into 2 sin minus pi by 3 cos omega t plus pi by 3. So साइन ऑफ -π/3 का वैल्यू आता है 2 into -√3/2 cos ओमेगा t प्लस π/3. यहाँ पे 2 और 2 कैंसिल होता है. अभी हम ये माइनस साइन को कॉस में ट्रांसफर करके कॉस के अंदर जो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर जो वैल्यू है उसमें we can transfer it. We know that, so this will be equal to v naught √3 into cos of, so we know that 180 plus theta is minus cos theta, cos of pi plus theta is minus cos theta. तो यहाँ पे we can just, since we want to keep the amplitude positive, so this will be plus π/3. तो ये है √3 v naught into, so pi plus π/3 ये होता है ओमेगा t प्लस 4π/3. तो अभी ये जो वैल्यू है, this is the value of the maximum voltage. Therefore V max is equal to √3 v naught. अभी we know that Vrms is equal to V max by √2. तो ये होता है √3/2 into V naught. तो ये है the RMS value of x and the between the terminals xy. तो अभी हम if we calculate the potential difference between y and z, so we will have V naught sin omega t plus 2π/3 minus V naught sin omega t plus 4π/3. So again applying the sin of a minus b, sin a minus sin b formula, तो हम ये लिख सकते हैं, so this will be 2 into sin of, so we have omega t plus 2π/3 minus omega t minus 4π/3, the whole thing divided by 2 into cos of omega t plus 2π/3 plus omega t plus 4π/3, the whole thing divided by 2. तो फिर से यहाँ पे ओमेगा टी माइनस ओमेगा टी कैंसिल होता है. So 2π/3 minus 4π/3 will give us minus 2π/3. So this is equal to V naught into 2 sin, and the 2 and the 2 will get cancelled. तो यहाँ पे हमें फिर से minus π/3 आता है, and this is cos. So this will be 2 omega t, और ये होगा 2π/3 plus 4π/3, which is 6π/3, which is equal to 2π. So we will get omega t plus pi so this again will become 2 into minus √3/2 into cos. तो यहाँ पे पाई प्लस ओमेगा टी है, तो वी कैन राइट दैट एज माइनस कॉस ओमेगा टी. तो अभी माइनस इंटू माइनस कैंसिल होता है, सो वी विल गेट वी वाई जेड एज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे 2 और 2 कैंसिल होता है, वी विल स्टिल गेट root 3 V naught cos omega t. Now again, this is the maximum value. So therefore, the RMS value between the terminals y and z is given by Vmax by root 2. तो ये होगा root 3 by 2 V naught. So हम देख रहे हैं कि जो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं उसमें दो ऑप्शंस करेक्ट आ रहे हैं. It is independent of which terminal we are doing the measurement from, and we are also getting the RMS value as root 3 by 2 V naught. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शंस को मार्क करेंगे. So this question has two correct options. So the readings of the voltmeter will be, so option B पे हम देख रहे हैं कि the RMS value between x and y, the RMS value of the potential difference between x and y is V naught root 3 by 2. So option B is also correct, and it is independent of the choice of the two terminals. हम देख रहे हैं कि the potential difference between x and y and z, the RMS value is coming out to be the same. So option C is also correct answer. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.